For this lesson, I'm going to go over how to solve a simultaneous equation when you have squares in it, a quadratic. The method is very straightforward. To start off with, what we need to do is rearrange your linear equation, the one with no powers in, to say x equals
y equals. It doesn't. In this case, because there's multiple x's, I will make the top to say y equals. But it all depends on what the second equation looks like. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to write y equals 4 minus x. I am now going to put this where y is in the other equation. Now, this is a quadratic. And if you remember, for a quadratic, to solve it, it must equal 0. So, I like my x squared to be positive, so I'm going to take everything over to the other side. Now, at this point, you have your three choices to solve. Factorize, formula, or complete the square. This one, I've already spotted will factorize, so I'm going to go along this route. So that gives me x equals minus 5 and x equals 1. At this point, a lot of people think, oh, I've done everything, because sometimes it takes a bit of time to get to this point. But we're actually solving, we need to get x and y. So go back to your linear equation, and we know x plus y equals 4. So when x is minus 5, y is 9. So we have one solution of minus 5 and 9. I'm just going to go back and do it again for when x is 1. So in this case, that was me jumping ahead because I could spot the answer, y equals 0. So this is our other solution. So just to recap, rearrange your linear equation to make either x or y equal the rest of the equation. Substitute that into the second equation. Solve that by making it equal to 0. Once you have your two values for x, find your two values for y.